You could have natural convection happening here as well as assisted with the fans. And now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 fans removing heat from your chassis. So it should be pretty obvious to you which is the better choice when it comes to fan direction and orientation. Now, here's another common mistake, and I'm sure that someone watching this video right now has experienced this, and maybe recently, given how many systems people have built lately, whether they are with the latest gen graphics card or not. What we're about to talk about in terms of size of the card applies to every single generation cards that have ever existed. And that is making sure that your graphics card is going to fit in your case.